Hey guys, welcome to my Gourmet Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make some jerk shrimp Rasta pasta. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and also click that notification bell to get notified when I upload all my contents. All that I'll be using to make this jerk shrimp Rasta pasta will be listed down in the description box, so you guys can just go there and get the full ingredients.
Jave Beats exclusive.
Here's all the ingredients that I'll be using to make my jerk shrimp Rasta pasta. Here I got some chopped garlic, some all-purpose seasoning, penne pasta, some double cream. Here I got my jerk seasoning that I'll be using. You're gonna need some salt. I'm also using some of my homemade green seasoning. You're gonna need some freshly chopped parsley. I got some chopped scallion, some mozzarella cheese. You're gonna need some paprika, some dried thyme, some ground white pepper. Here I'm using some extra virgin coconut oil, some chopped sweet pepper, and here I'm using 1 kilograms of king prawns. Also, all the measurement for my ingredients will be listed down in the description box. Now I'm going to start off by seasoning up my king prawns. I've already washed them in some lemon water. Yes guys, they're freshly clean and also deveined, these big king prawns. Yes guys. Now I'm going to start off by adding some all-purpose seasoning. Remember guys, all the measurement that I'll be using will be listed down in the description box. I'm going with some ground black pepper, some ground white pepper, sorry. I'm going with some salt. So I'll be using a teaspoon of my jerk seasoning, guys. Here I'm going in with my homemade green seasoning. Yes guys, this green seasoning, I'm telling you guys, it's really amazing to use on any meat kind that you have at home that you're when you're cooking. Yes guys, it's really nice to use guys. I will also leave a link in the description box for my homemade green seasoning and also my homemade jerk seasoning. Yes guys, the link will be down in the description box. Now you just want to go ahead and start to mix these around now. Get everything incorporated with all those seasonings that you just put onto that, all those prawns. And guys, you can smell that aroma coming from those king prawn. Green seasoning that I put on it guys, I'm telling you, on the jerk seasoning, smelling so nice guys, I'm telling you. Make sure all of them are seasoned properly guys. The aroma is smelling so nice guys, and it shows in the kitchen to smell this aroma coming from these shrimp already, and they're not in the pot yet. Wow. There we have it guys. I'm just going to cover up these and leave them to marinate just for about half an hour. I'm just going to use some cling film just to cover that up. I'll get right back to you guys. Now in the meanwhile my shrimps are marinating, you want to go ahead and get a pot where you'll be boiling your penne pasta in with about 4 to 5 cups of water. Yes guys, you're going to leave that to come to a boil before you add in your pasta. Leave it on a medium heat and I'll get right back to you guys. Now guys, after that 5 minutes my water has come to a boil, I'm just going to add some extra virgin olive oil to that water now. This is prevent my pasta from sticking together. Yes guys, so I'm going in with a teaspoon of salt. I'm going in with my pasta now guys. Added 1 pack of my pasta. I'm just going to leave that to boil. Yes guys, in the meanwhile that's boiling, I'm going to use my skillet now to start to saute my prawns. Yes guys, they are finished marinating. Wow, smelling so nice guys, I'm telling you, look at that, beautiful. Now I'm just going in with a teaspoon of my extra virgin coconut oil. Yes, guys. And you want to make sure your fire is on a medium-low heat. Yes, guys. Now I'm just going to leave that coconut oil to melt, and I'll get back to you guys. Now, guys, my coconut oil is all melted out to my skillet. Yes, guys. Now it's time to add my jerk shrimps to that now, guys. Now, guys, you just want to saute these jerk shrimp for about 4 minutes, 2 minutes on each side. Yes, guys, you know that shrimp do not take long to cook, so you just want to saute them for about 4 minutes, guys. 2 minutes on each side. I'll get back to you guys when I'm turning over my shrimps. Now, guys, it's been about 2 minutes. It's time to turn my shrimps over on the other side. I'm telling you, aroma that's coming from these jerk shrimp. Oh, it smells so nice in here, guys. When you turn them over, guys, you're gonna leave them for the next 2 minutes to saute before you remove them. There you have it, guys. I'll get back to you when these are all finished. It's time to remove these shrimp. Yes, guys, I'm getting a plate to put them on. So, guys. These shrimps are smelling so nice, guys. Can't wait to finish this Rasta pasta to have some of it, guys. Wow, look at that. Add some more into that now. I'm going to continue the process same here, guys. As I said, 2 minutes on each side. That equal to 4 minutes overall. I'll get right back to you guys when I'm finished sauteing all my jerk shrimps. Now, guys, this is the last of my jerk prawns. Now it's time to remove them from my skillet. Oh. Tell me, guys, these jerk prawns are smelling so nice. The aroma that's coming from them. I wish you guys was in the kitchen to smell this aroma, guys. I hope you guys give this one a try at home. This jerk shrimp rasta pasta. This, guys. I'm just gonna turn off this. I'm just gonna wait on my penne pasta to finish boiling, and I'll get right back to you guys. Now, here you have it, guys. After that 12 minutes of boiling my penne pasta, it's all ready now. I'm just gonna turn this off and remove that water from it, and I'll get right back to you guys. Now, guys, here's my pasta, nicely drained. Yes, all that water is drained off. Now, guys, I'm gonna use my Dutch pot to make my sauce in, because my skillet is too small. Yes, guys. So you just want to go ahead, preheat that pot at a low medium heat. To that now, I'll be adding a teaspoon of my coconut oil. So that, guys. When that is all melted, my coconut oil is all melted in my Dutch pot, I'll get right back to you guys. Now my coconut oil is all melted out into my Dutch pot, guys. Now it's time to add my bell peppers in. Look at that, guys, red, green and gold. I'm just going to saute those now for about a minute, guys. Get them nice and soft into that coconut oil. Killing it, guys. This coconut oil is smelling so nice too. Killing it. It's going to make this food taste so lovely. I've been adding my chopped scallion to that now. Guys, saute these two for about next minute with your bell peppers. going in with some of my dry thyme. I don't have any fresh thyme, guys, so I'm using some dry thyme. Just a teaspoon, or just do that for mix now. Stir up that dry thyme into your bell pepper and your scallion. Now I'm going with my chopped garlic. Guys, you just want to mix those around. Now to that now, guys, you want to add your double cream into that now. Give that a shake. Just gonna add some water to this, just to rinse it out. You don't want anything to waste, guys, so you just want to add some water. You add that water into your cup. Guys, I'm just going to throw this into my basin where I season my prawns in. This, guys, you don't want anything to waste, guys. And get all of that flavor into your Rasta pasta. This, guys, I just want to give that a mix now. This, guys, when you throw in your double cream and you give that a stir with all those seasonings that you put in there. I'm going to season this up now. I'm going to give it some flavor. I'm going with my all-purpose seasoning. To that now I'm adding like a teaspoon all-purpose, guys. Just like that. Going in with some paprika. Teaspoon of paprika, guys. So I'm going in with some of my ground white pepper. Guys, I'm just going to give this a stir now. And make sure you mix up those powder seasoning into your double cream. I'm telling you guys, this Rasta pasta is going to taste so delicious. Hope you guys give this one a try at home. It's going to taste so lovely. Yes, guys. Now I'm going the rest of my homemade jerk seasoning. This, guys, I'm using a tablespoon into that. I just want to give that a mix now. Just mix that around, guys. Mix up that jerk seasoning that you just put in there. I'm telling you guys, amazing. This Rasta pasta is going to be full of flavor and taste, guys. I'm telling you. Now I'm going with my mozzarella cheese, this, guys. I'm going in about 1.5 handful of mozzarella cheese. You can add more if you want, it's up to you. Just want to stir that around now. So mix up that cheese into those seasoning that you put in there. You can also use Parmesan cheese if you have any at home. Also, guys, if you don't have the mozzarella, you can also use a Parmesan cheese, or you can use both if you want. Guys, I can smell that cheese already into that sauce. Now I'm going with my pasta. Yes, guys. Just want to add your pasta to that now. Add that gradually. I'm gonna give this a mix now. Mix up this pasta into my sauce. Make sure all that pasta is coated into that lovely sauce that you make. Yes, guys. Well, now it's time to add my shrimps in there now. That shrimp. I'm gonna stir those around. Mix up those shrimp properly. Make sure they're coated nice into that lovely creamy sauce on your pasta. Also, yes, guys. Like that, guys. telling you, it's Rasta pasta. Looking so amazing, guys. It's smelling so nice. The aroma that's coming from it, I'm loving it. My belly is rolling to eat some of this right now, guys. I'm telling you. Now here you have it, guys. This is how we're gonna prepare this Rasta pasta with all those ingredients. Now this is all finished. Now I'm just gonna turn this off now, guys, and share it out and let you guys see. Wow, this is what I'm talking about, guys. This jerk shrimp Rasta pasta is looking so fantastic. I'm telling you, it's smelling so nice, guys. I can't wait to dig in. Guys, I hope you give this one a try at home. Definitely. I hope you follow my ingredients that I show you step by step, all those ingredients, guys. I'm just gonna use some of my fresh parsley just to garnish that now. Just like that, guys. Some of that fresh parsley, just wanna sprinkle over it just to garnish it. It's looking so amazing. Thanks for watching my Gourmet Kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Hit me up in the comment section, guys. Tell me what you think about this jerk shrimp Rasta pasta when you give it a try at home. Until next time, thanks for watching.